In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to replace the charging port on the Samsung A137 or Samsung A13. This is a super easy repair, and all that you're going to need for it is a crosshead screwdriver, some tweezers, and some kind of plastic opening pick. Start off by popping the SIM tray out of the phone. Now taking the plastic opening pick, insert it into the area that we just removed the SIM tray from, and then begin running it along the edge of the phone to pop the plastic back cover off the device. It gets a bit tricky on the corners, so just be careful around there. Continue working your way around, popping the back cover off, and then be careful when you get to this power button here, because there is a small flex cable hiding underneath, and this one is actually broken a little bit on there. Now that the back cover is removed, don't go yanking it off, because the flex cable for the fingerprint sensor is still hiding under there. And I've also just noticed that the bracket for the power button has popped off a little bit, so I'm going to slide that back into place first. Now we don't have to worry about the top of the device. We're going to go straight down to the bottom and remove the 8 screws that hold down this plastic cover. And when I plug it into my USB ammeter, I'm actually finding that it's shorting out the ammeter and turning it off. So it's almost definitely broken from liquid damage. And there's a small arrow on the right hand side here. That's your entry point to lift up this plastic back cover. And then we can just take that away just like that. There's one more small black screw holding down this charging board or subboard, depending what you want to call it. Remove that, then take your plastic opening pick, disconnect this flex cable here, use your tweezers to disconnect the red cable and remove it from the little brackets holding it in place, followed by the white cable, same again, make sure they're out of the way, and then this charging board should now become free. For the part that we're going to use, I always recommend using a genuine Samsung part, and just make sure that the model that you're using is compatible with the device that you're repairing, because there are a couple of variations for the Samsung A13. There's the 135, 136 and 137, and I believe they all have different charging ports. So make sure that you match up the part to the device you have. Moving on, reassembly is literally as simple as putting back the pieces that you've just removed, reconnecting that flex cable, and then let's get it secured down before we try and get those cables in. So that one black screw holding that in place, then we've got the red cable just here. Make sure that these go the right place. I don't think that they'll fit if you put them in the wrong way. And then the white cable goes in here. Just line them up with your tweezers, and then once they're settled into the place that they sit, push them down with the back edge of the tweezers. I'm just going to tidy up these cables, making sure that the red one sits into the bottom of the two, into the little channel, then the white one, and then these are tucked away now, nice and secure, meaning that we can reinstall that plastic cover, followed by the 8 screws that hold that in place. Before you go ahead with sticking that back cover on, it's a good idea to test that the part works. Also make sure that you're testing that the microphone function works, loudspeaker, vibration motor, and also cellular network. I'm just going to clean up that liquid that's sticking around here. Now attaching the back cover is just a case of folding it over and applying pressure to all the edges, making sure that it clips into place. Turn the phone on its side, make sure that there's no gaps like this one. All the 4 edges, and then finally reinsert the SIM tray and get this thing charging. That just about completes this repair of the Samsung A137 charging port. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.